Okay, dog, come to me. Wait, 3. Come to me! Come on! My butt itches. So, welcome back to another video. Today, we are testing out the dog whistle app. Not on dogs, though, this time. And yes, I've done this video before. You guys loved that video. It had about 110 views. My most popular video right now. So I'm thinking, I'll do it on some people. Yeah, so let's get started. My butt itches. Hello? Do you hear this?
Yeah, okay.
Do you hear this?
No.
Oh my God, that is! Oh, God. Boy, how are you doing? Oh my God, is he still there? How'd I get here? Did you knock me out? On to the next person. Can you hear this?
Yes, it's hurting my ears.
Cool.
Can I please use my phone?
No.
What'd you say?
Nothing! So everyone, hope you liked the video, and peace out! That's a change of things.